Welcome to Blessedluv, where you will learn all you need to know about raw hair and lace wigs. I am beyond thrilled to share something truly extraordinary with you today. Get ready to discover a game-changing addition to our raw hair collection. Allow me to introduce to you this exceptional hair type that will revolutionize your hair game and will last you years, saving you so much money. Let me tell you, this hair is absolutely mind-blowing. Our company has been supplying raw hair for over 20 years, and this is one of the best, if not the best hair I have ever come across. Let me tell you about these bone straight hair. They are the finest quality extensions and they look so luxurious. I know you must be wondering where they come from. They are crafted from authentic human hair sourced directly from villages in Asia, part of the world renowned for its hair heritage and unmatched beauty. We have meticulously selected this raw hair, known for its unparalleled quality, strength, and natural beauty. Our bone straight hair offers a silky smooth texture that effortlessly blends with any hair type, granting you an irresistible, flawless look. What truly sets this hair apart is the longevity and naturalness. Our meticulous process ensures that the hair retains its shine, strength, and smoothness, providing you with long-lasting, salon-worthy hair. Subscribe to our channel if you've not already done so. We are the only channel that is fully dedicated to teaching you all about raw hair and lace wigs. By subscribing, you will also gain access to exclusive content and expert tips that will help you take your hair business to the next level. It is called bone straight for a reason. This is because your hair will stay bone straight. Yes, it will stay bone straight, providing you store it correctly or that you look after it correctly. What truly sets this hair apart is the longevity and naturalness. With proper care and maintenance, you can enjoy your bone straight hair extensions for 5 years. Yes, you heard me, 5 years, making them a worthy investment. I will be making a video showing you how to do this. Whatever skin color that you've been blessed with, this hair will complement you. It is absolutely amazing. It's like a miracle working hair. Bone straight hair extensions are a dream come true. You can wear them as they are for an elegant and sophisticated style. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this stunning bone straight hair. Also, what you are struggling with when wearing your wig or raw hair, and I might just make a video for you.